Well, I think they should change that from we said, she said.
But me tell you how it go already.
All right, so here's the question in he said, she said. How do we know if we're asking too much from our partners? But if we're asking too little? And partners mean, I think they're talking about relationships, right? Not in business or anything like that. It is important to distinguish between realistic and unrealistic expectations to avoid emotional distress from unmet needs or impossible standards. So, this morning's he said, she said, we'll be taking a look at a few examples of these, and this comes from www.anchorlighttherapy.com. The whole of that is one word, anchorlighttherapy.com. So the unreasonable expectations, the first one says you can't expect that you're not going to have an argument. So them say no arguments. That's unreasonable?
Way unreasonable. Way. Teeth and tongue must meet.
So you have plenty of argument?
A lot.
Why though? What do you argue about?
No, sort of something.
Like?
All right. Toilet paper roll over or roll under?
And that is an argument?
Yeah, man.
Seat up or down?
Seat up or down.
Then I'm not for
Toothpaste squeeze from the bottom or from the middle?
Or any which part.
Yeah, but the lady who helps me, she has a way of turning it the other way.
Right.
And when I see it, I just turn it back and call and say, why did you do that? What kind of rubbish is that? Me that not going to make me go in an argument. Me just turn it back.
No. An argument is just a difference of opinion. It's not loud or nothing.
That's the thing. That's the thing. There should be arguments, but it's how you argue. That's the problem.
Yeah,
that's how you argue.
This says, while it's not healthy to fight all the time, engaging in productive arguments or discussions promote growth by sharing different perspectives and voicing concerns in order to make a positive change. I agree with that.
Right.
But some people will start with us at a discussion and then end up in a quarrel.
Right. Yeah.
I lie, Beltel?
Truth. Truth.
Yeah.
And you say, I can't believe this blew up like this.
Yeah.
I said, but I wasn't upset. I just wanted to ask you something.
Calm down.
Yeah, so it reached us so. That's the first one. There's what's the second?
Mind reading. Expecting your partner to always know what you're thinking and feeling is usually impossible, guys. Instead, provide context by sharing your emotions and your perception of the event to guide more productive conversations. People cannot read your mind.
But you know me so long.
Give me a specific example about reading. Why someone would read in somebody's mind. Like what?
Like if we went out and after a while I was bored of where we were and I wanted to leave. And like me, and you say, you want to leave?
Right.
No, why you ask me that for the coffee? You know, must. I can't know. So it's better to say Nebs. Can we leave soon? I'm not.
Right.
I'm a little bored.
Fair enough.
Right now, something like that.
Yep.
Yeah.
Articles, third one.
Always being available when in distress. Similar to mind reading, expecting your partner to provide comfort at every occasion may set them up for failure. Self-soothe to avoid stonewalling, they say, and emotionally draining your partner, which can lead to resentment or withdrawal from interaction.
That's one of the biggest arguments.
Give me an example again.
All right, so my wife have this way, or used to have this way, where she would want to vent about certain situations in her work day, right? Now, sometimes I've had a tough work day. I don't want to hear about all of this right now. Like, right now is just not the time.
You're an awful husband.
Yeah, I'm terrible.
You're an awful...
or maybe you're venting and you say, okay, them just a vent.
Right.
So you just listen, you finish.
Yeah, but you're an awful husband.
But then I expect you to say, oh my God.
Right.
No, but if Delia come to me and she has a problem now, it's now she have the problem, I can't tell her, I say, hold that, later we talk about it. She want to talk about it now.
Oh, no, man, understand she want to talk about it now, but she does not need to expect that I'm going to be available every now.
Yeah,
but
if
you
you're
ought
not,
to be.
No, but if you're not, they make like the morning cup match. I'm going to say, carry this phone, go give Neville for me, please. And you say, hello? Honey, you know I'm at the gas station and the man was rude to me. You're going to say, deals. You'll call you back.
But I would think that if you know that I'm in a game and you call me during the game, I would know that this is incredibly important and me have to listen.
Right,
You wouldn't call me
right.
I'm going to do that to me the last match, by the way.
Call me when
Boss, I'm going to turn on, see me? So I go up. Me have to say so. So I say, Bridget, what the match I go on now? It wasn't my girl. If it was my girl, I'd say, "Wham, you need me right now, right?"
Right.
That's different. Number 4 says, no friends of the opposite sex. If you expect your partner to end friendships with people of the sex they are attracted to without clear suspicion of infidelity, this may create a hostile environment that can be conducive to negative sentiments, including resentment. Give me another example again.
Spanish Town.
I'm not even certain that means, but it just sounds funny the way you say it.
This is a classic example. That. No.
Give me an example.
No, but, well, thankfully, I'm not married somebody like that. And I've never had a girlfriend or been with somebody who expect that me not keep no friends with the opposite sex. I'm so happy because, but you have some women who are jealous. And you have some man who, them seem a little too comfortable, a little too chummy with them sistering. Yeah. But my thing is, if you come into somebody's life and see them a certain way with them friends, don't expect that now that you're all together, that they're supposed to switch it up. Because you come see them that way there. So see, they accept what you see.
That depends, though, God. I disagree. Because if I'm not in your life and then that's the friend that you hang out with Sunday to Sunday, but me come now, you can cut that down to Wednesday to Friday.
Okay, I'll accept that, but if you just close a certain way now, I don't mean like in terms of your time necessarily, but just the closeness.
No, but I'm saying if me and Delia like this, we're not together, but we're bona fide.
Right. And
I meet somebody. Delia, if you understand, well, me can call you every night now when I go see you every
I'm not calling my phone and I make a night.
Yeah, because things change.
Right.
I don't know if
But remember said about the friendship, you know.
No friends.
No friends. It's not even so much, you understand me? So.
But like Spanish Town, no friends.
No friends.
Boundaries.
Your time.
Boundaries.
Always
spending free time together. No.
But you know, some people, like I have a brother who is married. I've never seen him with another lady. And they're married 100 million years. And them work together.
Tony?
Russell.
Ah.
And Tony too. Mm-hmm. And them work together. And them always together. Them work at the same place. Well, them obviously live at the same place.
Right.
You know, if she carry out the garbage, him carry the pot, he carry the tap. If them wash the she dry. And they are having a bar.
No, but you know what
But he must have some other free time never doing other things.
Me don't know about that. I set up the man.
That meaning I'm not.
No, but we're all different. So some of us will need like free time by ourselves. There are other people, you know.
We're out of time. Reasonable expectations, mutual trust in each other, I agree.
Yes.
Equal commitment to the relationship, I agree.
Always in agreement.
Shared affection and appreciation, I agree.
Here.
Empathy towards experiences and emotions, I agree. Mm-hmm. Friendship and admiration in the relationship, I really agree.
Yes.
A satisfying sexual connection, I really.
One more really.
Really.
Sure? Are you really sure?
Really.
You sound like you're not sure.
Really agree.
Me I doubt you know. You don't sound like you're sure.
I really agree. Mutual understanding and compromise, I agree.
Here.
Respect for differences, I agree. Quality time, I agree.
Yeah.
Shared kindness and generosity, I totally agree.
Yeah.
That's it for we said.
He said.
They said. The two we didn't say.
Right. All
we say.
All we say. Smile continues after this with a martial arts demonstration with Jawara Ellis. Stick around.
By the way, she not agree too. I don't know which she agree because we never talked.